Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your template in Canva while keeping all your existing design elements intact. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your existing design in Canva. Once your design is loaded and you can see your current project on the screen, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll notice several options there, and what you're looking for is the Templates button. Click on Templates to open up Canva's template library. Now you'll see a search bar and various template categories displayed on your screen. This is where you can either search for a specific style of template or browse through the different options available. Take your time here to find a new template that matches the style you're going for. Once you've found a template you like, click on the template thumbnail to select it. A pop-up window will appear with a couple of options for how to use this template. Here's the important part. Instead of replacing your current design, click on Add as New Page. This action adds the new template as an additional page in your project, which means your original design with all your content remains completely untouched and safe. At this point, if you notice any elements on the new template that might interfere with your existing design, feel free to delete them now to clear some space. Next, go back to your original page where all your content is located. You can do this by clicking on the page thumbnail at the bottom of the screen. Once you're viewing your original design, you need to select all the elements you want to transfer. Click and drag to select everything, or simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all elements at once. After everything is selected, right-click on the selected elements and choose Copy from the menu, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. This copies all your design elements to your clipboard, ready to be placed onto the new template. Now click on the new template page in the page strip at the bottom of your screen to switch to it. Once you're on the new template page, right-click anywhere on the canvas and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V. Your elements will now appear on the new template page. From here, you'll likely need to move and resize your elements to fit the new layout properly. The new template might have a different structure, so take a moment to arrange everything so it looks balanced and fits well with the new design. Finally, if you no longer need your old page, you can delete it by clicking the trash icon at the top of the page thumbnail to clean up your project. And that's it. You've successfully changed your template while keeping all your original design elements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.